Hi friends, welcome to What's Cooking Coco. We are going to be making dinner tonight. So let's get started. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be making some Asian style short ribs. Pretty easy, so simple to do. You're gonna need some short ribs and good old Ziploc bag, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and get this set up already because this is what we're gonna use for our marinade, okay? So let me get my little cutting board here. 2 pieces of garlic, that's what you're gonna need, okay? 2 or 3, depending on how much garlic you like. If you wanna add more, go ahead and add a lot more if you want, okay? All right, so we're just gonna roughly chop it up. Okay, the garlic, just like that. All right, so now that that's roughly chopped, we're just gonna need a little bowl or something that you can to put all your marinade in there. We're gonna need some soy sauce, and we're gonna do about, let's say, a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, okay? Just like that. 1/3 cup soy sauce in and done. Sesame oil. Kind of just eyeball it. I would say, I don't know, maybe about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, let's just say that. Some red pepper flakes, about a 1/2 teaspoon or 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper flakes, depending on how much heat you like, okay? Some oyster sauce, just like that. I'm gonna do some red wine vinegar. This is what I like to put in my marinade, okay? Just about a splash of that. You can use, if you don't have red wine vinegar, you can most definitely use white wine vinegar or even mirin if you have that, okay? And then we're just gonna add some black pepper, right? We're gonna throw in our garlic, brown sugar, okay? You gotta have the brown sugar to make it sweet. So let's say this is probably about, let's say, a 1.5 tablespoons or maybe 2 tablespoons. Whisk that together, okay? Just like that. And once we stick it in our Ziploc bag and everything to marinate, we're gonna go ahead and marinate it for at least, let's say at least 30 minutes. But if you want some really good flavor, marinate it for a couple of hours, okay? And I'm gonna taste that. That's perfect. Oh man, that tastes so good. Just like that. We're just gonna go ahead and take our short ribs, toss it in that Ziploc bag there, and we're just gonna dump it all over, just like that, okay? Dump it all over, okay? And then kind of use your fingers if you have to get all that marinade. If not, use like a spoon or something. Okay, now that we've already put our marinade in our Ziploc bag and with our meat, just go ahead and give it just a little bit of a massage so that way it gets all of that flavor in every single crevice of that meat, okay? And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for about, I'm gonna do mine for about 2 hours because I want to have such yummy flavor when I grill it up, okay? Okay, now that our meat is gonna be marinating over there, I'm just gonna do a quick, simple dipping sauce. And since we're doing like an Asian style meat, we're gonna go ahead, literally all you're gonna need is 1 lime, okay? And you're just gonna go ahead and squeeze it. Get all that juice out, okay? We're gonna juice 1 lime. Trust me on this one, it is really yummy. And when you, after you grill up all of your meat, and you're getting ready to eat, this dipping sauce is gonna go so yummy with your meat. Then some fish sauce, okay? I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's really good, okay? So we're just gonna do literally like a little bit of a, like a splash, not that much, not too bad. Some maple syrup. We're gonna do the same thing, a little splash of that. Add a little bit of a jalapeno, okay? And literally you're just gonna dice it up. Not the whole jalapeno, just a little bit, just to give it some heat, okay? And we're just gonna mix all of that together. Just whisk it up, okay? Whisk it up real nicely, okay? And then make sure that you're tasting as you're moving along, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and taste that. Perfect. Oh, that's great. Now, just like that, okay? And while your meat is marinating, this is gonna marinate too. It doesn't have to marinate, but it's gonna be marinating, and then it'll be great for dipping your meat in there. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let all of this marinate, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna grill it up. Okay, now that our meat is nicely marinated, all we're gonna do is grill it up. Make sure your grill is nice and hot. Okay, wow, look at that. Maybe, let's say about 3 minutes on each side. Get ready to flip to double check. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and flip that. Wow, look at how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Something I like to do, you see all these little drippings? Do not throw those away. So once you flip on one side, just go ahead and evenly just pour all that juice on top. It is done. So we're gonna just go ahead and take it off. And look at that. Oh, some of that garlic got a little bit charred onto the meat. This is gonna be great. And my kids are gonna be super excited for Asian night dinner. Beautiful. So look at our beautiful Asian style beef short ribs. So, like always, we're gonna taste it to make sure it tastes yummy. So, since I said tonight we're gonna be doing Asian style night, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of some Asian salad. This ain't fancy, it's store-bought. I didn't make this, okay? So I'm gonna put some salad. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more because I love this salad. Okay, so Asian style salad. I'm gonna grab just one piece for now, okay? And then I got my dipping sauce here, and I whipped up some cauliflower rice, so I'm just gonna put some on my plate. Now for the taste test. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, thank you, Jesus, for this food. All right, here we go. I'll try it without the dipping sauce first. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's so yummy. Woo! All right, now with the dipping sauce. And I'm gonna get a little bit of some of that jalapeno to give some spice. Oh, yeah. That's really nice. It's good without it, but if you add the dipping sauce with it, it takes it to a whole nother level. They're so good. And it's easy, guys. Literally, so easy. I know that there are many different ways that people make, you know, Asian style short ribs, Korean short ribs, all types. But this is how I do it. Do it the way you want to do it. I'm just showing you how I do it in my kitchen. So good. That fish sauce just adds a whole nother flavor. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you guys make this week. Maybe not this week, maybe another week, but try it because it's easy, it's good, and it's yummy. See you again next time. Bye. Okay, guys.